Yes, the question answer part, the house was located, I told you. The house was located just before the, is given here, 3 miles from the station and before the dusty hired rack. Okay, the White House seemed like a earthly palace, a fairy palace in an earthly town. It's called the, what's that part? Earthly paradise, palace in an earthly paradise. The children explored the garden and all that you have to see and write. When usually people find it very difficult when they haven't seen it. Robert thought seen and usually. Robert thought they had found was a snake. Anthea said it could not be a snake because it had legs and it had feet and fur and ears. Okay, so the best part of it all was that there were no rules about not going to places and not doing things. So these question answers you'll do it yourself. Try to solve it yourself. I'll just tell you a few parts of it that you'll be able to understand. The best part of it was all that were no rules about not going to places and not doing things. Where did the children not have to go to follow any rules? The children did not have to go in this place where they are. So they have come to this place where for the holiday and to with their from their normal regular world they have come to the countryside to spend their holiday. So there's no rules here, but in the city world in London there are too many rules, so that's why they're saying this. Where do the children have to follow rules in London? What did the children find in the place that had no rules? What did they find? They found a cement, and suppose the bottom of the hole gave way suddenly. Which of the children said this? Suppose the bottom of the way gave in suddenly. So we'll come here. That one is grown up people find it very difficult to believe really wonderful things unless they have to what they call proof. That's the other one answer which I gave you. But children will believe almost anything as grown ups go. Where is that? He should go and the Jane said, suppose the bottom of the hole gave way suddenly, she said, and you tumbled out among little Australians. Okay, he said that if the hole gives way and you fall inside it, and then you'll see that you are in Australia with other Australian people. If it is a snake, I will tame it and it will follow me everywhere and it will sleep around my neck. If it is a snake, I am going to tame it. And there he says that here, don't be silly, said Anthea. It's a rat. I shouldn't wonder. And Anthea suddenly screamed. Come here quickly, it's alive, it's a rat, I shouldn't wonder, said Robert. Father says they infest only places, perhaps it's a snake, said Jane. Jane said it's a snake. If it's a snake, I'll tame it and keep it everywhere, I should sleep it around my neck. Cyril said that if it's going to be a snake, I'm going to keep it around my neck and keep it with me. And what were they doing near the hole? They were playing near the hole. They were wanting to play, they were wanting to make a castle and a tunnel to Australia. And if it is a snake, which was the 5 things that Cyril said that what was the child referring to? The child was referring to the creature which they saw inside the hole. How did the other children react to his statement? The other children who reacted to his statement, don't be silly, said Anthea, it's not a rat, sorry, I'll sleep. No, you won't. Robert said he didn't want it because he shared Cyril's bedroom, that you may if it's a rat, he said, because I share the bedroom with you, I cannot allow you to keep a snake. So that's all. You have to do these answers yourself, and later we'll come to, you'll do this and I'll check it up. Then you'll do this part On page 20, you will do this: make ends and ands word from the adjectives, tick the correct spelling in each set. You will find this and then do this, solve this, okay? And then you try. I was talking about diary, features in a diary. Writing a diary, you must learn this. Go through this. I know how a diary is written. You will also learn. Like, if you go through this, you will come to know, and you will see what it's all about, and you learn to read as you write your homework diary every day at school. So this is also a diary which you write about yourself, of how things go on in life and what is happening. Okay, so you do that and take care of yourselves. I'll meet you in the next class. We'll go ahead and do seeing fairies. It's a non-fiction thing. When we start to we dream that we have seen fairies. They talk to us in our dreams. We'll learn to read about that. I guess it's a non-fiction story, and we'll just see what it happens, actually what happened in this, and we'll try to know about it. I'll give you all details about it in a better way. Then we have Baby's World poetry, and then we'll just slowly do it, okay? So till then, take care of yourselves and do the homework and keep it. Chapter is done, and I have given the explanation as much as I can. So next time, before I start a new chapter, I'll just again touch you with this chapter, so that whatever you have done, it will be much more helpful to you. You can make any changes if you want to. And please make sure your spellings are all correct. Please, when you are already at home, you have immense time of working, and so do it properly in a nice way. Okay, just don't hurry and do it. Take your time, calm down, focus, and do your work. Okay, so be good, stay home, stay safe, and respect your parents, and love them as much as you can, and do whatever you want after your studies. Bye bye.